Don't pay attention to that right there, y'all. I got bored the other day when shooting the garage with paintballs. That's the spot. That's the spot right there. I wiped it as much as I could, and some in the garage. But anyways, I hope all is well with everybody. Hope everybody's doing good. Happy Father's Day to you all. I'm doing good. My girl is doing good. My son is healthy. Everything is good right now. Only thing ain't good is these builds. But we gonna get it together, y'all. But as you can see, both of the whips is at home. We're in the garage. Well, I'm in the garage. All this stuff out here belongs to me. She even told me, she was like, when we get a spot, we gotta get a 3-car garage because we take up all the space. I'm like, yeah. And the crazy part about it, none of this stuff works. But we're gonna get it to work one of these days. But on a good note, as you can see, the motor is out of the Sonoma and it's out of the Catalina still, but we're gonna focus on the Sonoma for right now. So with the Sonoma, as I said I was gonna LS swap it 6 months ago. That's when I first got the truck. So I was gonna LS swap it 6 months ago, but that didn't go as planned. So with that being said, I got the 5.3 that was going in the Catalina. I'm putting it in the Sonoma. Excuse me. And I'm putting it in there soon. So let me tell y'all why. It's going in here in the Sonoma. It's going in here this Wednesday, actually. So that right there, 92mm throttle body, trail buzzer intake, you know, the goodies. I love it. A little simple build, but it's gonna have this truck going yay. But anyways, got the mounts to it already. Got this for the Sonoma, this the mounts for the Sonoma. Got the, I'm gonna put the shifter in here, the Z Gate shifter from B&M. Here go the shorty headers for it right here. We got the shorty headers. What else? I took it out because it kept giving me issues. So we ended up changing the injectors. We changed the starter, that's a brand new starter. We changed the rotor and cap. The gas tank has been changed. We changed the spark plugs 3 times. We changed the oil 3 times. Basically, we gave this truck a full tune-up, and it still gave issues. My cousin put some AC in there. I went bought the stuff, and my cousin put the AC in the little truck. The truck was blowing cold, but it just kept giving me issues. I didn't know what was going on with it, so I got tired of it. And then the reason why I'm putting the 5.3 in there is because, wait for it. We got a 6.0 for the Catalina. So the 6.0 is at Pop's house, and they're coming up on the killer deal for the 6.0. I want to go all the way. I want to do the cam, heads, the whole 9 yards. I want to have a killer 6.0 in a build. I want it to be, you know, beef it up as much as possible for the 6.0. But stay tuned for this for the Sonoma. Is going in this Wednesday, so stay tuned for the video. I will be uploading the video Wednesday and so on and so forth until I get running and keep it going. And I know I say stay tuned a lot, but the reason why I said a lot is because I try to set goals and try to accomplish them, but I always fall short. I haven't worked in a year. I mean, I've been maintaining life and everything like that. Me and my girl, we've been making stuff happen. But I haven't worked in a year, so like I said, when I try to set goals, they always get cut short, you know? So that's why I say stay tuned a lot, because I try to make it happen, but I always fall short. But we're not gonna worry about that, because it's gonna happen sooner or later. We're gonna get everything going to where it needs to be. I'll be back on track. I'll be back working soon, hopefully, if everything goes right. So, yeah. But like I said, once again, stay tuned. I got everything for this, for the 5.3 going to Sonoma. Got the headers. Got the mounts, the shifter. I got the fuel system for Motion Raceworks, and I'm gonna use the 6.0 wired harness from the 6.0 wired harness from the truck that I just got, me and my boy. So with that being said, it's golden. It's up there from there. And I got the 350 tranny. Got the 350 tranny. I painted that up. Shout out to my boy Manny with the build. Yes, sir. Look at that. Ooh. She fresh. I can't wait to put her in. Last thing. Shout out to my car club, y'all. Y'all know they hold your boy down when I call them. They there for me when they call me. I'm there for them. You know, that's how I go. But yeah, we finna get it going. It's been a long road. Y'all stay turn on your post notifications. Thank you for subscribing. We reached 530 subscribers. Y'all, thank you for rocking with your boy. Really means a lot. Y'all be having some merch soon. I'm gonna get the J-Ham shirts and the J-Ham stickers. I'm trying to get the logo fixed, and I'm find a company to make some shirts in bulk. And I promise y'all, I'm gonna start sending that stuff out, because I know I was supposed to do some stuff a while back with a goal with the subscribers. We ain't gonna talk about it, but we're gonna move forward. I'm gonna get it done. Promise y'all. Keep rocking with your boy. Thank y'all for remaining solid. I said silent. Thank y'all for remaining solid. Y'all have a good one.